guys, welcome to the craft table, or should I say welcome to Better Gnomes and Gardens, Special Inspiration Edition Volume 2. Yeah, I got a kick out of that. I'm just saying. I found a little package of gnome gardeners at Walmart, and I had to make a garden set. I mean, come on, who doesn't want gnomes in their garden, or gnome gardens in their garden? Or, well, here, I'll let you make up your mind. What do you want to call it? So, just inspiration. Remember, guys, this is just inspiration. So, let's get to work, shall we? Your little garden, Gnome Garden. The path, the garden, the little gnomes to take care of it, a basket of flowers, a bench to rest on, imagination, inspiration. There it is. So I really hope you enjoy these little inspirational tutorials. I don't know what else to call them. It's just inspiration. Things I run across something like the little gnomes. I picked those up at Walmart and just saw them and go, I know exactly what I'm going to do with those. And there she goes. So I want to thank you for coming and sharing these with me, and I really hope you enjoy these. And if you do, don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, and I really hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you soon. And remember, I love you guys. Bye-bye now.